I download Dragon 2. This is what I get. This is what's in the folder, right? If you go into the user data, the sources, I made a copy, the default on my desktop, and I open it with Notepad. If I want to manipulate it, I add the path here. If I have a G path, I made another sources for FNG. If I have FNG paths, this is if you have a G partition, and this is if you have just an F. But as you can see, this line isn't on here, so I would just copy and paste. I don't know if this is my OCD. I want to just straighten that out so I can see what's going on. So I would use this if I just had an F partition with no G drive. This is what I would use if I have a G partition with this path added. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and connect to my Xbox. I'm going to find my apps folder in my under my F drive, my apps folder that I made, and I'm going to drag and drop the Dragon folder into the apps. Okay, because this is a 500 gig Xbox, I am using two partitions, an F and a G drive. So this is the sources XML file that I will be overwriting after this install. So I'll just close this up. This is going to ask me if I want to save. I'll say yes, why not? Then this is my, if you can see, it's for my F and G drives. So I have my sources ready here, sources XML file. So when this is all done, which is very soon, I'll go into the Dragon folder, go into user data, and then just drag and drop the sources folder in there and overwrite that. Okay, so now my next question is how to add media to that. Okay, it's great. I can go onto my Xbox now, go under apps, find the icon named Vision. I would choose that, I would select it, and it would boot up into Dragon. So now my next question is, where do I put this Dragon Media folder? This Dragon Media folder that it's a test for noobs that was just uploaded last night or the other night. So I don't know where to put it. Do I put it in the media folder, or do I dump it just in the Dragon 2 folder? Here's my Xbox with my possessed TV that for some reason just back it up there for a second. I see the partitions, the F and G drive. And then I would reboot it because I just uploaded the files onto the Xbox. I'd go to Applications, find Vision, and for some reason it's just this TV and this TV only. It takes 2 minutes for this thing to load. So So I'm gonna edit this. Actually, I noticed I counted 9 seconds when it works properly. This dragon splash should appear, and then it'll just pop up. The menu will pop up 11, 12 seconds later, all together. Oh, forget it.
Life is so unfair. Party over here, I'll be over there.
There's the menu. There's Dragon after 2 minutes of boot time. Anyways, as you can see, there's no art. I would like to know how to add videos and stuff to this. I've made videos before for the coin ops menus, so I can't imagine it being, that tough. I'm gonna go under emus here, and this is all under my emulators, all across my F and G drives. If you notice, Hypervision is installed on here, but see, I don't have the pop-up come up. See that nice, neat little pop-up there? That doesn't come up on the coin ops. That doesn't come up on premium. It does come up on Atari Anthology. Very slick looking, anyways. So I have Hypervision 4 and Premium 8 Massive installed, and when I use the Unleash menu and go to my emulators, only one of them appears. I'm missing the actual Premium Massive. When I actually load into this is Hypervision. The only way that I can access Premium Massive is if I go through Dragon.